Hello Stampers, this is Amy Barnes, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to share with you 6 simple cards featuring the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. So there's 6 cards. They're all very simple. They have piece of the Designer Series paper as the main focal point, and then punching for the labels. And these kits are available on my website, on my Facebook page, and I'll show you here real quick. It features this here, the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. It's gorgeous. Makes some really nice fancy cards, but it's also great for quick cards. And then we're also using the 2 punches, the Label Me Lovely punch and the Label Me Fancy punch for the greetings. And in the kit, the greetings are blank, so you can make them whatever you want. I'm going to give a quick detailed picture of each of the cards. So here is the first one we're going to look at. I should do 2 at the same time here. So we're going to do these first 2. And these are featuring the Blackberry Bliss card bodies. And I already have notes written inside these, but they have the Whisper White layer inside so that you can write on them. And so for those 2 cards, you're going to have, well, we'll start with the whole kit. There's going to be 6 pieces of 4" by 5 1/4" Whisper White paper that you can use for putting inside the card for writing on. 6 envelopes, part of the kit. You're also going to have 6 pre-punched colored labels and 6 pre-punched white labels, and a sheet of the Stampin' Dimensionals and pre-cut ribbon. So that's all going to be in the kit. So the first 2 cards both have the Blackberry Bliss card bodies, and they're already scored for you. The cards are very simple. Just layer on for this one, you're going to layer on that layer. You're going to add a little bit of the ribbon, and you're going to add your punched label that's already pre-punched for you. And then for this card, this is going to take one of the longer pieces of ribbon, and you're just going to adhere the ribbon behind the paper using a little bit of snail or liquid adhesive, whichever you prefer, behind, and then you'll adhere it to the front of your card and add your greeting. So that's the details on the 2 Blackberry Bliss cards. The next 2 cards have the Old Olive card base. This one's so beautiful, and I like the blue background on this one. It's really pretty. So both of these have the Poppy Parade background labels, and for my samples here, I used the free stamp set that was in Paper Pumpkin this time. The No Matter the Weather, We're in This Together seemed like a perfect sentiment for right now, so I added that in. And these 2 cards, it's the same thing, simple stamped layer, or simple cardstock card body with the Old Olive, and then the pretty paper from the Poppy Parade Designer Series paper. There's a strip on this one, and then this is just the ribbon. So we'll show the details for those. Okay. So again, 2 of the Old Olive card bodies here. And for this one, you're going to adhere the Blackberry Bliss polka dot layer there. And you're going to add just a folded corner of ribbon like that. And for this one, again, you're going to use one of the longer pieces of ribbon to go across and put your punched greetings on top of that. So these are super simple. You'll see how they go together very quickly. And be ready to send off to some happy cheer to people that need them. Lots of people inside not getting their normal social contact right now, so it's a good time to send cards. Okay, these are both Poppy Parade card bodies. Again, simple layering with the designer series paper on each one, a strip of paper on each, and the stamped layers. This particular ribbon goes across the just as a straight layer behind the punch, and stamping dimensionals to put the punches on all of the pieces. So again, you got your 2 Poppy Parade card bodies, your card pieces, like that. And this one you'll trim a piece of the ends like that, so it goes there. Put your greeting over the top. And then this one uses just again, another little folded corner like that. So that makes that nice and easy. And these cards, such happy colors, it'd be fun to send out. And again, the layers for putting inside the card for writing on are already part of the kit. I do have a few of those kits available, and for those of you that already have them, there's a little bit closer look at each of the cards for you. I'll go through them one more time just real quick. Bring them a little closer so you can see them. So this one, just diagonal cut each piece. I put dimensionals at the top and the bottom to put that on. And again, just fold the corners and use your scissors to give it a little angled cut, and dimensionals to put the Blackberry Bliss label on. The ribbon goes behind on this layer, and the Poppy Parade dimensionals at the top and the bottom to put it on over the top of the ribbon. And this one, same thing, little folded ribbon behind the label, dimensionals to put it on. And you can use any greeting set you have that fits on this white punched layer. Like I said, I made up mine all the same because it seems like a really good sentiment for right now. This has got a strip of the mossy meadow kind of color of the designer series paper. It's got different tones, so it's lighter and darker in different areas. Dimensionals to put it on. And again, the ribbon goes behind the designer series paper layer when you're putting it together. Dimensionals to put the greeting on. And those are the details of the 6 cards. I hope you enjoy making those. If you have any questions, please contact me at my website or find me on Facebook. Amy Barnes, Ink Stamps Paper. Thank you very much.